Welcome back, guys. Hey, tung car chu kadam lawa. Video po du on karon upload thatai lawa. Part 3 na ti zo ram ka du se karon tile milo ele sak ram don ne. Heti ang mun lien dewa chon an siam trina. No pang ta na boring lo nan in thiam na mun an siam at lien. Rem trin pop mai. Lots of cars. Heti ang race track le ma te hian puitling le no pang ten car an leya an rem khoma an tlantir vela an car du ang design te kha an mel khop mai hian an car bun tak tak an show then khat chu chuan thein an siama nuam dang dai khop mai. Oh my god. We're inside a Ferrari. Oh, the place is so awesome. Like start button and everything is so awesome. Only 2-seaters and Lamborghini's ancestry. Tihian voina car show Lamborghini ho. Signboard lian tak maya tihian anda Lamborghini nge chu. There is the Diablo. It was manufactured during 1990s to 2001. Looking nice. I expect more Lamborghini like Ganardo. And then the newest one, Aventador. It's very beautiful. Let's look at the specs. Okay. Nice. We are going to look all of these cars which are displayed over there. Here Lamborghini how to anda atlar board ta in alem in dot khan tihin anda atlar ama sabera mi hi Lamborghini contact kan lam sualong chumo Lamborghini car pa ngaya chuan suak ma saber pula ni ome. Okay, this is the Diablo Lamborghini. This Lamborghini was manufactured during 1990s to 2001. Car was manufactured between 2001 and 2002. Hey, he Lamborghini Marcelago niya. Ana kop by. Zoron bela tana ilang bud na. At siya maki may daw siya. Very beautiful car. And finally we have the Aventador. It's beautiful car as well. Hey, he Aventador ve tungania. Tuna here in 2011 na truck in anlam manufactured na siya mekadi. Aventador Lamborghini. One of the most expensive cars. start taking photos. Car moi tak tak ano may baka tiyan model hello tak takin han chul vela endu pon tam khop mai ana chul mai hai tiyan. ช่วงจังการงานช่วงโลกให้อีกตัวการส่งนะ real drum talk real drum talk lots of cars outside and looks very fun. Let's go outside. So I think this is a place where you can buy stuff like cars if you want. Not sure. Very nice. Yep. Are you hungry?
Yep, I'm very hungry.
Let's go outside and eat
the
something.
Chinese food.
Chinese food.
The fried rice and
Fried rice.
Masala wa dose. Masala wade, dose wade.
Okay. I think we need to go this way if we want something to eat. Yep. No, it's a beautiful cold day outside. Ooh, the place is just beautiful and my hair is hideous. Sorry guys, my gel went out. Shit. My shit, man. My hair, man. That is impossible to fix, okay? Yep. This is good hair. This is one class number 1. Top quality hair. The best kind of hair.
My hair is the top quality, not yours.
Your hair is Daiso. 100円で買うことできる。これは一番。So over here we got some foods, vending stores, and everything. So let's see where we're gonna. Japan hian street food pa ngai hi or tam ka kilo khop me ke ma chuan amai ro chu hian events om reng reng he tiang hi an siam trina rang local ko ma ti hian ei tu an siama restaurant te na an ho ti hian tui me te ko mai video lai hi arei te onek dona ma ro chu mu chak te nom ka ringa kan tilang ko nge. Just nothing to say out of this. They all look so good. No!
You will try and eat it.
I am not one of those. This must be an ice cream shop, I think. Ice cream vending shop. Ooh. Oh, I didn't realize it's a car. And inside this car, there's a shop. It's very bendy, man. Oh, pudding, I think.
Oh.
Mom's kitchen.
I'm done with this. I need restaurant.
探して Nothing of this restaurant comes in a cheap home. Lots of people, lots of shop. Looks very good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Potato. 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 そんなに食べたいの？ソーセージ。な、焼き肉そばです。Looks very good. It's very nice. Oh. Hamburger. Burger. Cheeseburger. Oh, yakitori. Hi. Toy desu ka? Toy desu ka? Toy desu ka? Looks very good. Yeah, very cute as well. Oh, this looks very nice. What?
What the heck?
What is this? Is this taco? No. Torko. Torko, kebab sandwich. It's very good. Very nice. So,
これ何
we are right now.
ロコバーガー
What?
バーガー食べよう
The burger? You wanna eat burger?
チーズバーガー
It's okay if you wanna eat burger. We are here. We're looking around for food. We haven't decided yet which one we are gonna be eating. Look at my hair, man. Just look at this. Look at this. Why is it like this?
You didn't
So
shower.
silly. What? What?
Shower. You didn't shower.
What?
Not shower.
Showered. Before I came,
No.
I showered.
No.
I showered.
No.
The gel. The gel is the thing that do it. No one asked me a stupid question. Of course I showered.
Potato いくら
500. 400. Look at this, man. Everyone is sitting there so happy. They're eating food and we're standing here not eating food.
You want it?
No. I will take videos. This Yayoi. This place is good because you can refill your rice as long as you got some.
What the hell is that?
Okay, we are going to have some
Nigo.
thing to eat right now. Hey,
見てこの
hey, college.
私もいるよ。おお見て。
Oh, sit. Bye.
Oh.
Hey, the class teacher here. This is our class teacher, and he is the nicest guy in the world. Like really the nicest. And also he's the most skilled guy. Oh, this. No, Yamamoto-san. Yamamoto Sensei. I'm taking this home. Oh, insects. Oh my god. Hey, he Rolls Royce Wrath dan lam sualong cuma mai. Maserati Ghibli. Yeah.
Very nice car. How is your new car?
My new car, I buy that Sangoku 3 million.
Okay. Is this your only car?
No, I have Bugatti, Ferrari, and Lambo.
Okay. Can you start the engine?
Yep, I already started.
So am I allowed to ride on this?
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much. I just want to show you guys. Okay. Nice car. Clean. Very premium. Yeah, deluxe mode, I'd say. Ooh. The gear is manual.
Time out, my car.
I'm sorry, can I just stay here maybe one more minute? Premium. So guys, we are going home, and yeah, and this place is, and now we are going home. We are going to the bus. Bye bye. The place looks lovely, by the way. We were trying to get the 2:43 p.m. bus, but we got lost and we could not make it in time. So we're gonna try to catch the, I think, wait, that makes you a human being, you know. Okay, let's wait for like 20 minutes, huh? It's fun, huh? Yeah. We are going back now. Nice. It's very wet. I wonder if I can change the spinning direction. Yeah. Oh, I am changing it. It's amazing. Feels good.